Yeah, let's continue Master Snowflake. As part of Master Snowflake, we are discussing AWS for Snowflake. As part of AWS for Snowflake, let's understand history of AWS team. Yeah, AWS initially started with the first service called AWS S3, AWS Cloud, currently providing 200 plus services. AWS Cloud currently providing 200 plus services in different categories, different categories like infrastructure as service, software as service, platform as service. Currently, it is providing 200 plus service. So initially, it started 2002, and then it launched first cloud service, uh, Amazon S3, and they added EC2 later. So these two services called first services in AWS cloud. Initially, they started storage service, then uh, virtual mission service called Amazon EC2. And later they added multiple services. Currently 200 plus services they have invented. They have invented. Okay. Next one. Next one. Uh, AWS providing uh, these 200 services in different categories like infrastructure as service and administration purpose. We can say admin and DevOps purpose, data analytical purpose, data engineering purpose, and data science purpose, IoT purpose, quantum computing purpose. For different categories, they are providing different services. For example, data engineering. They have S3, Kinesis, AWS Athena, AWS Glue, AWS Redshift, etc. So like that, different categories and different purposes, they providing different services, different services too. Okay. So AWS Cloud is the leading cloud vendor compared to other clouds like AWS, Azure, GCP, etc. Okay, you can see at the time of 2021, from 2021, it is providing 200 plus services. It started with these two services, but right now there are 200 plus services, including latest technologies like quantum computing, artificial intelligence, etc. Okay, clear writing? Yeah.